If we want to start increasing voter turnout and satisfaction with democracy again, then we need to undertake the tough reforms required to improve the daily lives of the South African people. While sensible electoral reform can certainly help shape healthier incentives for politicians, it is ultimately the voters of South Africa themselves who must fix these deep-seated problems by using the electoral system that we are examining over these 2 days to make sure that they reward politicians who work to reform, fix and grow, and punish those in office who corrupt, steal and destroy. So anyone who promises us that the introduction of independent candidates or constituencies or changes to proportional representation or any other proposal that the panel is engaged with will magically resolve all our problems is deceiving us. For far too long, South Africans have believed that what our country needs is some kind of big intervention, some kind of silver bullet that will fix our problems overnight. But the truth is that there is no such silver bullet, and that we, in a democracy as the people, have to rescue the country's future ourselves. We must do it. The people must do it.